Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford stroker engine, 425 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1956 F100 truck. Go over some of the highlights of the engine build here. We got the 347 Ford stroker engine, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, proper oil pan for the 56 F100. Customer's running a Art Morrison chassis, so he needs the rear sump pan. We got the proper flex plate for the AOD transmission he's running, proper tooth count and balance. We have the aluminum intake on there, the Brawler quick fuel carburetor, MSD ignition coil. All the wire markers are on there. Every engine is live run for over an hour, completely tuned, dialed in. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand with all the readings, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. You have the complete Serpentine Raptor polished pulley kit on here. Real nice. We have the chrome AC compressor, heavy duty 8-rib Serpentine belt, self-adjusting belt tensioner that always keeps the belt at the proper tension, the high flow aluminum water pump, standard rotation, lower hose on the driver's side there, 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup, power steering pumps installed, real easy hookup, power steering line right there, return, oil pressure extension, Russell heavy duty fuel line with the gas filter, all the fittings hooked up, all set. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Complete, turnkey, drop-in ready, fully tested. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call and we'll custom build your engine. EngineFactory.com. Our email address is info@EngineFactory.com. Our phone number is 1-800-326-6554. We're a family-owned and operated business. Been in business over 50 years. So there you have it, 347 Ford stroker, Ford F100 truck. Thanks for watching.